This is a quick tutorial on how I personally make stickers. I don't have a software designated for sticker making, so what I use is Clip Studio Paint. The first thing you need is to have a design. When you have a design, make sure you save it as PNG or JPEG, but make sure that it doesn't have any background. You then copy paste your design onto a new A4 file by using the lasso tool and then pressing Ctrl C and then Ctrl V onto the new A4 file, and do it as many times as you want, as many stickers as you want. My design is fairly big, so I only have 4 on one paper. Whenever you paste the design onto the new paper, they're gonna come in different layers, so use the cursor in order to move them around. I have a printer. I have an Epson printer. That's what I use, and I print by using an app on my phone. So what I do next is to send this sticker sheet to my phone, and then from there I'm gonna use the Epson application, and then print my sticker sheet. Laminating your stickers is optional, but I would recommend it because if you do, then your stickers are gonna last longer. The laminator I'm using was the cheapest one I could find, so yep, just so you guys know.